Okay, so here we're gonna do luminize. We're gonna luminize you up. What I'm gonna do first of all is I am gonna take my lunar eye polish, and I also use this as a luminizer sometimes too, because it's more like a traditional highlighter. But I love this one on the eye. Great, beautiful glow. This is my living luminizer.
Love this one.
Oh, me too. One finger here, one down from there. That is exactly where the luminizer goes. So it goes right in that cheekbone, because remember, you want to elevate that cheekbone. Look at the glow already. It's a little bit of the combination of the eye and the cheekbone. Now, little tricks that you can do with this. Take the brightening brush, and you want to draw that little glow right along that little L shape here of the eye. So right here and along there. You do not want to go underneath your eye. And when the eye looks moist and dewy, it looks very sensual. And also you can take the brush again and just pop it right over the bow of the lip.
Make your lips look bigger.
It makes your lips look bigger. This is the magic now. This is way stronger. This is going into Instagram territory. Can you guys see this? We're gonna have so much luminizer on her. Okay, now this is the champagne one. This is like a kaleidoscope. For somebody that wants a really glossy eye, this is the one that's perfect. Now you can see it's got a little bit more pink into it.
It looks very natural.
And then I'm gonna put the peach. It's actually really nice. Okay, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just, you don't want you looking too luminized. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of color on there. This is just the Demure, which is one of our best sellers of the lip to cheek, just to give a little added color dimension. It's very sexy.